Only the break, just stayed on 22nd break. We went on a picnic today. Our class goes on an outing every month. This was going to be the last one for the first semester. I took a can of coffee and another of orange juice. Before we left for the picnic, I offered the coffee to Mrs. Sung. Thanks, he said. Seeing the juice in my hand, he asked me if I like orange juice. I shook my head and said, "No, this is for Eugene. It's okay, and each of you. We're leaving soon. Give it to her right now." What if she refused? Why should I be brave? Only the brave deserve the pair. What if other kids make fun of me? Don't worry about them. Just give it to her. I strolled over to Eugene with my eyes wide open and looked straight at her. Then I handed her the juice with my eyes shut tight, saying, "Mrs. Sung told me it's okay to give this to you." Eugene's eyes widened in surprise. She was totally confused and embarrassed. She has no choice but to take the juice. Yeah, I felt as if I were walking on air.